In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to configure and run a report in the Predictive UC Analytics web application. To set up a report in the web application, simply select the Reports icon at the top of the screen. To configure your report, go to Configure Reports. Notice that you are given a list of report topics to choose from. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will be looking at Activity Overview by User under Activity by User, which is also under Call Activity. Notice that once you select the report that you wish to configure, you're given a number of options pertaining to that report. Now let's look at the properties. Notice that in properties you are given the ability to give your report a name. If you're running an ad hoc report or a report that you're only going to run once, this is not necessary. However, if you're going to run a stored report or schedule of a report, you do need to give it a name. Keep in mind that when naming your report, it needs to accurately reflect the information that it contains. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll be running a report that shows outgoing calls from the sales department. Notice that you're also given the ability to choose which user this report is assigned to. Now look at the date selection. This allows you to select the date at which you wish this report to run. You are also given the ability to select the times at which you wish it to run as well. Now notice frequency. It gives you the ability to choose Run Now without saving or an ad hoc report, Save without scheduling, a stored report, or Schedule. Now let's look at distribution. Notice that this gives you the ability to select the format of the report, as well as the delivery method. Also note that depending on the delivery method that you select, you will also have a number of settings to configure. Also note that you are given the ability to archive this report to a specific user. Report options will give you the ability to control the display of data that will be shown in the report. Keep in mind that for each report, the options may vary. Note that in this report, you are given the ability to exclude cost and also exclude charts. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will be including the charts. Now let's look at report filters. For a better understanding of filters, refer to the filters video. In this demonstration, we'll be setting up a report that will look at outgoing calls for the sales department. Now let's look at only outgoing traffic. Now that the filters are set up, let's run this ad hoc report. To do so, go to the top of the screen and select Run Now. While this report is running, you can view its progress under Pending Reports. Once the report has completed, you can view it under Completed Reports. To view your report, simply select the report's name. Notice that in this report, it is broken out by user, department, division, and company. Also notice that we are given two charts that show the data graphically, as well as summary information.